What if the most powerful anti-aging tool on the planet wasn't a $10,000 supplement, wasn't a fancy stem cell treatment, and wasn't even some new breakthrough drug from Silicon Valley? What if it was something completely free that you can start doing today, in the next few hours? Something that doesn't just help you lose weight, but actually flips ancient repair switches inside your cells, slows biological aging at the deepest level, clears out damaged junk that causes disease, and gives you more healthy, vibrant, energetic years than almost anything else science has discovered. Most people will never discover this switch because modern life keeps it turned off 24/7. We eat from the moment we wake up until the moment we go to bed. The lights in the warehouse never go out. But when you finally flip this switch, everything changes. Imagine your cells as a massive 24/7 warehouse. Delivery trucks loaded with sugar and nutrients never stop arriving. The manager is completely overwhelmed. Boxes pile up in every single aisle. Broken equipment is shoved into dark corners. Waste is everywhere, and the maintenance crew hasn't had a single quiet moment to clean or repair anything. This is your body on constant eating, 3 meals plus snacks every single day. Now imagine locking the warehouse doors for 16 to 24 hours. The trucks finally stop rolling in. The noise disappears. The lights dim. For the first time in years, the cleaning crew clocks in, rolls up their sleeves, puts on their gear, and starts working like they've been waiting their whole lives for this moment. This isn't just a metaphor. This is the hidden physiology of real, lasting longevity. Today, we're walking through the full 24-hour timeline of exactly what happens inside your body when you fast, and why this simple decision may be the single most powerful thing you can do to slow aging and extend your health span. Let's start the clock. Hour 0 to 4. The moment you put down your fork from your last meal, your system is still flooded with energy. Glucose is pouring into the bloodstream. Insulin, the busy traffic manager, rushes in and locks every energy door in the storage position. Excess sugar gets packed away as glycogen in your liver and muscles. Think of glycogen as your short-term cash wallet. Quick, easy to spend, but very limited in capacity. Right now, the warehouse is still in full delivery chaos. Lights are blazing, workers are running around, and nothing special for longevity has happened yet. You feel full, satisfied, and completely normal. Hours 4 to 12. Blood sugar starts to settle. Insulin levels begin to drop. The warehouse grows quieter. The frantic activity slows down. Around hour 6 to 8, your brain sends the first clear alert. Easy cash is running low. Ghrelin, the hunger hormone, spikes. You feel that familiar rumble in your stomach. You might get irritable, shaky, a little foggy, or even anxious. Most people panic right here and reach for food. They think they're starving. They're not. They're just addicted to constant deliveries. Your body is a high-performance car that has only ever run on high-octane gasoline and is now being asked to switch to its massive internal battery for the very first time. It stutters, it hesitates, but if you push through this uncomfortable window, something truly beautiful begins. Hour 12 to 16, the metabolic switch. Glycogen stores drop to critical lows. Insulin falls to its lowest baseline level. This is the exact signal your body has been waiting for. The enzyme hormone-sensitive lipase wakes up and starts unlocking your fat cells one by one. You switch from burning yesterday's food to burning your own stored body fat. The liver turns those fatty acids into ketones, a clean, powerful, super efficient fuel. Around hour 16, many people feel the famous lift that changes everything. Brain fog completely vanishes. Mental focus sharpens like never before. Energy becomes rock steady instead of a roller coaster, and you suddenly feel lighter, clearer, and more alive. Evolution wired us this way. A hungry hunter who got sleepy and weak didn't survive. Hunger made us sharper, faster, and more alert, and it still does today. Hour 16 to 20, autophagy, the cleaning crew finally clocks in. Now the real longevity magic begins. With no new building materials arriving, your cells switch from growth mode to deep repair mode. They activate autophagy, the Nobel Prize-winning process of self-eating. Damaged proteins, worn-out mitochondria, your cellular power plants that are no longer producing energy efficiently, misfolded junk linked to Alzheimer's and other diseases, even hidden viruses and bacteria get wrapped in a membrane, dissolved and recycled into fresh, pristine parts. The warehouse isn't just getting swept, it's being gutted, repaired, and rebuilt stronger than before. Chronic inflammation drops dramatically. Senescent zombie cells that spread aging signals throughout your body start getting cleared out. This is why people often notice their skin looks brighter and healthier, old injuries feel better, joints move easier, and they wake up with more natural energy than they've had in years. Hour 20 to 24, repair, renewal, and protection. Deeper into the fast, your body releases a massive surge in human growth hormone, sometimes spiking 1,300% to 2,000% or more. HGH acts like a protective force field around your muscle tissue. Burn the fat, but leave the machinery alone. We might need it to hunt tomorrow. At the same time, mTOR, the master growth sensor, stays low, while AMPK, the energy guardian, stays high. This perfect combination triggers mitophagy, deep cleaning of damaged mitochondria, boosts stem cell activity, dramatically improves insulin sensitivity, and helps your body clear out years of accumulated cellular damage. Your cells become like dry sponges, ready to absorb nutrients with maximum efficiency the moment you finally eat. The city isn't just cleaner, it's being completely rebuilt stronger from the inside out. Breaking the fast, how to protect everything you just built. When your eating window arrives, your body is primed like never before. Treat the meal like high-quality building material, not a reward for suffering. Start with high-quality protein to supply amino acids for all the repairs autophagy just performed. Add healthy fats to keep fat-burning pathways humming smoothly. Then fill the rest of the plate with volume, leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, fermented foods, to replenish minerals and feed the resilient good bacteria that survived the fast. Flood it with sugar or junk, and you'll trigger a huge insulin spike that undoes much of the cleanup you just worked so hard for. You've done the hard work. Now protect it. The adaptation period. Be honest with yourself. Let's be real for a moment. If you jump from 6 meals a day straight into long fasts, the first 7 to 14 days can feel rough. Headaches, fatigue, irritability, maybe even strong cravings. This isn't the protocol failing. It's your body withdrawing from constant sugar and building the metabolic machinery to burn fat and ketones efficiently. Help it with electrolytes, especially salt. Ease in gradually by pushing meals back a couple of hours at a time. Stay hydrated and get good sleep. Most people who stick with it report clearer energy, sharper thinking, better sleep, visible improvements in skin and joints, and real anti-aging benefits within just a few weeks. The big picture. Why this changes everything. We live in a food environment engineered to keep us constantly eating and constantly aging faster. But hunger is not an emergency. It's a powerful biological signal that turns on the exact repair programs our ancestors used to stay strong and vital deep into old age. By giving your body these extended fasting windows, you reduce oxidative stress, improve mitochondrial health, activate autophagy, balance growth and repair pathways, clear senescent cells, boost stem cell activity, and finally, let your body do the deep housekeeping it was designed for. You aren't starving. You are thriving at the cellular level. You are turning on switches that modern life has kept turned off for decades. If you try this, drop your experience below. Did you feel the mental clarity kick in around hour 16? Did old aches or brain fog improve after a few weeks? How long did it take your body to fully adapt? Let me know. I read every single comment. I'll see you in the next one. Healthier, younger at the cellular level, and one step closer to a longer, stronger, more vibrant life.